all day.
While Matt choppers into position, Marty loads bullets called tracers, which have phosphorus on their tips, making their flight visible to the naked eye.
And so my tracers are going to be hitting the buckets full of gasoline. Boom. That's what's about to happen. Okay.
Our eye in the sky is ready.
Going hot!
The range is clear.
Everybody ready?
Marty takes his shot. The bullet pierces the can at 900 miles per hour. The pressure of the impact sending gas particles into the air. Milliseconds later, the phosphorus ignites the gas. And, well, see for yourself.